हाय, मैं हूं सिद्धार्थ सरीन और आज यूथ फॉर वर्क प्रेजेंट कर रहा है LFAT में एडमिशन लेने के लिए कुछ टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स. The books are man's best friend. So these are the books that will guide you through the exam. That is Arihant series, Renan Martin for English, NCERT books and more. Be familiar with the syllabus and practice it every day. Make a timetable which you will follow through thick and thin. Solve previous year's papers and mock tests along with that. For that, I would recommend Prep Guru app designed by Youth for Work. You must have knowledge of law, constitution, IPC, family law and more. Negative marking is there of 1/3 marks for paper 1 and 2 and 2/3 negative marking for paper 3. So be careful while attempting questions. तो अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो हमें लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें.